Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about evolution of man and Stone Age. First, we will discuss about evolution of man. So, children, what do you understand by the word evolution? Evolution means changes, means gradual development of something over the period of time. That means in this chapter we will discuss how man evolved gradually with the passage of time, or how man's life changed with the period of time. According to scientists, millions of years ago, Earth was a different place. Means due to certain climatic conditions and natural disasters, Earth was not very favorable for life to exist. So, when life began on the Earth, life existed on Earth around 3500 million years ago, and human appeared on the Earth in pre-Pleistocene and early Pleistocene period. And human existed first in Africa around this time. After that, humans spread elsewhere. Do you know, children, how were the man looked some million of years ago? Look at this picture, children. In the beginning, the man looked like apes. Now, what are apes? Children, ape is a type of animal look like a large monkey with no tail or only a very short tail, as you can see in the image, children. Children, do you see chimpanzee and gorillas? They are called apes. So in the beginning, the man looked like apes. You must see, children, apes lived on the top of the tree and walked on four legs. Similarly, the man at his early stage, when he looked like apes, he lived on the top of the tree and walked on four legs. They could not stand upright. But over the period of time, these apes started living on ground and stood on their two limbs. They are called hominids. So, the apes who learned to stand on their two limbs are called hominids. With the passage of time, their brain had developed. As you know, children, brain is very important organ in our body. We use brain for thinking, planning, or to learn something. So, with the passage of time, their jaws and teeth also became smaller. As you can see in the image, children, at this period of time, their jaws and teeth were smaller as compared to this period of time. When the early men could walk properly with their two limbs, their hands become free. Means they started walking upright on their both feet. Upright means straight, means they could stand straight. As you can see, children, they could stand straight and walk on two limbs. Their fingers of hand became more flexible. So they used their free hands to hold things like stone and to make tools. This category of human is called Homo erectus. Homo erectus means upright man. Finally, they changed to Homo sapiens, means the category of human that can think. That means we are Homo sapiens because we can walk upright on our two feet and also able to think. So all of us were evolved from Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means a person who can think. It means thinking or wise man. Children, the period of evolution of man is termed as prehistory because we don't have any written records relating to it. So how do we get all this information? Well, we get all this information through historians and archaeologists who study the fossils, stone tablets, and cave paintings to trace the human origin. Now, who is Lucy? Children, Lucy is a skeleton of a young woman which was discovered in 1974. This skeleton was 3.2 million years old. This skeleton was looked like a chimpanzee with small brain, long arms and short legs. Okay children? Now, children, in the modern time, we have so many tools for doing an activity. Like we have knife to chop vegetables, fruits, we have scissors to cut the paper. Now, have you ever imagined how did early men perform all these activities? Even they needed tools for perform such activities, right? Did early men have such knives? No. At the start, early men did not know anything about metals. Then, what did they do? How did they survive? Well, they had stone tools. So, they made tools out of stone and they used these tools for hunting, for fishing, and many such activities. So, tools were made of stones used during that time. So, all their major activities were performed using these stone tools. So, we can say that their entire life revolved around stones. As a result, that age when human beings used stone tools called the Stone Age. Now, this Stone Age is further divided into three parts. That is Paleolithic Age, which is also known as Old Stone Age. Second is Mesolithic Age, which is also known as Middle Stone Age. And third one is your Neolithic Age, which is known as New Stone Age. Children, let's discuss them in detail. First we have Paleolithic Age. Children, Paleolithic word is derived from two words, that is paleo and lithic. Paleo means old or ancient and lithos means stone. So it is basically old stone. So Paleolithic Age means Old Stone Age. This period was roughly before 10,000 BC. Paleolithic men lived a nomadic life, so they were called nomads. What do you mean by nomadic? Nomadic means they moved from one place to another place in search of food, water and shelter. They used to gather fruits, nuts and many other things for eating because they did not know how to produce food. They hunted animals and they ate them raw, so they were called hunter-gatherers. Now, where early men lived in Paleolithic Age? Children, they generally lived in caves and rock shelters that protect them from animals and harsh climate. What did they wear? They wore leaves of trees, skins of animals and barks of trees. As you can see in the image, children, what did they wear? They wore leaves of trees, skin of animals and barks of trees. After several years of nomadic life, humans gradually realized the benefits of living in groups. With the passage of time, these tools got more thinner and more sharper. At this period, the early men used hand axes, knives, choppers for hunting, fishing, chopping and cutting meat. After some time, besides stone tools, they also used tools made of wood and bone. Discovery of fire. Children, the fire was discovered during the Paleolithic Age and it was discovered by chance. Fortunately, he found the fire by striking or rubbing the two stones against each other. Thus, a great change took place in their lives. After discovery of fire, they kept them warm from the cold climate. They also used fire to scare wild animals, and also they came to know the taste of cooked food. Now, second age is the Mesolithic age. After Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age came. Mesolithic age is basically a middle stone age. During this period, the climate of the world was getting warmer, which led to increase in the variety of plants and animals. Hunting and gathering food became easier, so human survival rate also increased. The people during this age learned to live in groups. The people during this age learned to live in groups. People moved out of the caves and built their own houses. They also learned to domesticate plants and animals. Dog was the first animal to be domesticated. Later, they started domesticated other animals also. The people during this age also started growing crops like wheat, barley, and rice. Their tools also improved gradually. So, during this period, their stones were made from microliths. Now, children, what is microliths? Children, microliths are the small chips or sharp stones which could be set into a piece of wood or bone, which is used for fishing, cutting, and capturing bigger animals. So, with the use of microliths, tools were became more sharper. And also, the bows and arrows were also invented during the Mesolithic period. The last age is Neolithic age. After Paleolithic and Mesolithic age, Neolithic age came. It is also known as New Stone Age. In this age, man progressed still further. He learned to make better tools, grow food crops. He started living a settled life in small villages along the river. He also started cultivated fields and grew crops. So, beginning of agriculture and living in the community was the most important development of this period. In Neolithic age, man turned from a food gatherer into a food producer because they started growing crops. So during this period, they were not moved from one place to another in search of food because they started growing crops on their own. Men during this period used more harder stones to make tools and polish the blades to make them sharper according to their needs. Axe, bows, and arrows were the main weapon and tools that were used in that period. Children, the most remarkable invention of Neolithic age was the wheel. It helped the man to improve transport. The invention of wheel is even considered to be a landmark in the history of humankind. Invention of wheel made human life easier for traveling from one place to another. That's it for today's video, children. Thank you.